Hello, thank you for watching my little life channel. In this series of video, I introduce Japanese ingredients one by one. Although Japanese ingredients getting very popular nowadays, you might still hesitate to purchase something totally mysterious. So I'd like to introduce how Japanese people usually eat them in real-day life, not only authentic but improvised version as well. Today, I'm going to introduce Tsukemono. Tsukemono is Japanese pickles. And I will introduce variety of tsukemono, parent suggestion, and also one very easy dish using tsukemono. Let's get started. So first of all the variety of tsukemono has got a name, either tsuke or zuke at the end. And tsuke means just pickles. First one is fukujin zuke, usually made with horseradish, lotus root, and Japanese ginger. Usually it's either red or pink, and it's very sweet. Interestingly, we always eat with Japanese curry. This is takuan. Takuan is made by radish. Quite often, we use for this kind of sushi. It's sweet and little sour. Next one is shibazuke, usually made with aubergine or pickled with mixed vegetable like cucumber and ginger. And it has nice purple color with this shiso herb. Taste is quite sour. And this is cucumber tsukemono. It doesn't have a particular name. Also, it has nice crunchy texture. Finally, this one called takana. Takana is the name of this vegetable. It doesn't have very strong taste, but probably closest is either pak choi or spinach. It has chili in it, so it's very spicy. As well as we eat it on its own, we add into the fried rice and ramen. Tsukemono always comes with rice and all the set menu dishes like those. So probably you don't find a chance to eat it on its own outside of Japan. In this case, tsukemono will be nice nibbles with sake or white wine. Also, I have a dish suggestion with tsukemono. Chop up all the different tsukemono and then mix with rice, or actually sushi rice. Then add sesame seed, edamame, string thin fried egg. How I made this paper thin egg is, just crack one egg, put a bit oil on the pan, and wipe it a bit. Pour the egg liquid into the pan and fry it well. Once it's getting solid, I recommend to use skewer or chopsticks to turn it like this. After that, you just cut into the strings. And then sprinkle on these tissues. That's it. Thank you very much for you watching till the end. I hope you learned about tsukemono a little bit more and interested in trying it. If you have more questions about tsukemono or any other Japanese ingredients, please comment on below. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and check my other videos. See you in the next video and have a good day.